Metrics. We all know about that. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. So we have the importance and urgency. You would have seen this thing somewhere, right? So if something is important and urgent, house on fire, of course, we have to do, no other choice. The next one is low important. Less urgent but important. Yes, we have to do make a routine as Mac mentioned. Something, somebody else's target line, your friend's wedding is there and you are invited. Do you really want to go for that? Send the gift, send wishes. You don't have to waste your time for there. Until and unless you have 2 jars filled with the water, then it's okay. But we have the finite energy and finite life. And the last one, neither urgent nor important. So we will not do that. But is this matrix enough? Do you think something is missing in this? What is that? The missing part is significance. Something can be urgent, something can be important, but is it aligned with my future goals? If it's not aligned with my future goals, why am I even doing it? Right? So that's why I have added the third matrix, third dimension to that. That is the significance. Check urgency, check important, but the most important thing is it aligned with my next 10 years goals? If it is not aligned, don't do it. It's very simple. People will hate you, but that's okay. You're answerable for your dreams. They are not answerable for your dreams. So you have to make choices sometimes. By the way, every 6 months I do this exercise. I go to my WhatsApp, go to my LinkedIn and remove people, those who are not aligned with my goal. And I'm perfectly fine with that one. Why? Because what's the point of having them in my network if they are not adding any value to me, I'm not adding any value to them. So it's okay. You cannot be in good books of everyone. If you're in good books of everyone, you're in not good books of anybody. So just make your choices.